Look at this 2010 Ford F-150. Carfax has certified this F-150 as having one owner. This F-150 has just under 38,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This F-150 boasts a 5.4-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 5.4 L3 FFV engine, medium stone, premium cloth 40/20/40 split bench front seat, ingot silver and the 3.31 axle ratio. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.